Hi, I'm Steve Weiss, and this is Jens Bøgehegn, and we're the designers at Zacuto. And today we're going to show you our new Gratical Eye, which we just released and actually won Best of Show here at NAB 2016. The Gratical Eye is 14 ounces. It has an SDI in, it has a LEMO in, and it's about a third smaller than our Gratical HD. And the reason it is because we've eliminated a few things and added a few things. Let's talk about that. What did we eliminate?
Well, we eliminated the battery, which was really taking up the most amount of space. The other thing we eliminated are a lot of the jacks. So it has an SDI in, like Steve said, but no outs anymore, no cross conversion. So that alone made this thing much smaller. It will still have our patented anti-fog coating on the lens, so this thing will not fog up in extreme conditions whatsoever. It has all the same software features that the Gratical HD has. What else? Same diopter, same optics, same display. So
plus it has an outboard tally light. This actual, your joystick can light up red if you want it to when it's in record mode. And we added a proximity sensor here so that when you take your head away, the screen goes dark and it acts as a battery saver and a sort of an auto shut-off mode. And it's in stores next week, and it's $19.50. So we did something different where we actually didn't come here and say, oh yeah, we have a product and you'll get it a year from now. It's available now. So let's talk about our sliding base plate. This is our VCT Pro, and major difference here is that you can loosen this lever in the back, and you can slide the plate back. The base plate will be available in June, and its targeted price is around $750. This is our Z-grip trigger arm, and it's sort of a system. We have several different ways that you can do it. This is a rosette-based version, so like if you want to flip your grip up and set the camera down, you can do that. You also have this capacity. You got a length capacity, and you have another length capacity here. And here Jens is showing you, this is important. Having your grip straight is kind of annoying. And during the day, you're going to want slight shifts in it. So you need this sort of 360-degree ball joint. And you can move this dog bone back to here and get this grip like right up in here if you want that sort of Aton style. So we have this available for FS5s, and then we have an FS7 version, which also has a really nice feature in that it allows you to be able to twist the FS7 grip, which you really can't do now.
Let's not forget about the Canon C300 or C-Series one, where we relocate their grip onto this system.
The trigger grip system ranges, depending on the camera, between 550 and 650. And that's all in. That's with, from rosette all the way down to the grip relocator. June release. That leads us to our final thing we would like to talk about, which is our new control grip. And that's something that we're exhibiting here. It's not a finished product. This is a first article prototype. But as you can see here, this is an Aton style wood grip that adds zoom functions. You can see I'm zooming the lens here in a very traditional way with a rocker zoom like this. And it has this kind of interesting, we call it a Borg attachment, but it's like, here you have a joystick for total camera control. You have a joystick for total Gratical menu control. You have a go button, you have a function button, and actually all three sides of each of these joysticks are also function buttons. There's one cable that comes up to this control box. The control box is a power distribution box. It is a video distribution box. It is a motor controller box. So it has 3 motors that can come out of it and go on lenses. It takes Land-C in. It has serial digital in for cameras like the Epic or the Alexa. And it has USB power jacks to power your phone or charge them or whatever you need to do. So it is an incredibly versatile system, and it also accepts a battery on it, and cameras that have a battery plate, it can attach to them.